Hey guys, if you want to create a slide automatically inside MindPal to make it look like this video is for you. In this video, I will show you the latest tool integration in MindPal that lets an AI agent generate a beautiful slide like this for you. This can be used in educational content workflows or for generating marketing assets, and it is pretty straightforward. You will just need to create an agent, select the right language model, and enable the slide generator tool. Let me show you how to do that. We will navigate to the Agent tab in MindPal and create a new agent. You can tell the agent what kind of slide or presentation you want to create here, but for demonstration purposes, I'll just say Create Presentation and have it create this agent with AI. Okay, so here is the agent prompt generated by our system. We won't need this output format, so I will delete this. I will select the language model. I would suggest you select the Gemini 3.0 Pro. One of the cons of this model right now is that it's quite slow, but let's select it so we can have the best output. We also selected the slide generator here, and now we create the agent. To create the slide, we just need to chat with the agent and it will make a slide for us. So I will say, make a slide about AI agent for marketing for us. Okay, the agent has finished generating the slide on the topic of AI agents in marketing. This is quite a good slide, and you can always continue customizing the design. For example, the font, the color, the background, and everything else. To use this feature, just follow the two simple steps I shared before to enable the slide generator tool. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope it's useful for you.